All right, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna jump over to Google Domains. You're gonna go to your domain. So I'm looking at seekingfunnels.com. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go down to your DNS settings, and then you're gonna add a custom name server, and then this is already active. And then so we're gonna go here, and then you're gonna put your name servers. So we're gonna grab this from Cloudflare. So we're using the DNS servers from Cloudflare so we can make our site HTTPS secured, so you don't get that ugly message from Google saying, hey, this site isn't secured. So we're gonna go back over to Cloudflare. We're gonna sign in. We're gonna add a site, right? So it's gonna be your domain without the www dot. Okay, so now I'm gonna click on seekingfunnels.com. This is an old one, so I'm gonna go down to DNS settings right here, and then we're gonna put in our stuff. Damn it, I took it off. Okay, so the MX records here is email, and then same thing, text. So we're going to go here. We're gonna add a record. This is gonna be a C name. So we go down here. Oh, excuse me. Wait, we have to grab our name servers. So we're gonna copy and paste this over here. We're gonna go back to Google Domains. We're gonna manage new name servers. We're gonna put this here, and then we're gonna jump back. You're gonna have that propagate, and then we're gonna jump back over to Cloudflare. Excuse me, and then we're gonna put in our C names. Okay, so our C names are going to be. Give me 1 second. So this is gonna be our root domain. I'm assuming unless you want your subdomain, then you put in, say it's like blog dot, right? Hopefully that's not it because I'm not super versed on that, but we're gonna do @ and then it'll be target dot clickfunnels.com. Okay, and then you're gonna put save. Then you're gonna add another record. It's gonna be another C name, and then we're gonna do www. And there's no dot in this, right? No dot. And then you can just put the @ again. So then you're gonna put the @ again, right? So this is going to have this, the name, and then the target. You want this one to be DNS only. So we're gonna edit this again. This is gonna be DNS only. So we're gonna save that. Great. Now we're gonna go over to your page rules. So Cloudflare is continuously updating, so you gotta check these. Make sure the SSL is on full over here, and then or the rules. So we're gonna go down to rules. So for your rules, you need perfect. I already have this on there. So we want to redirect any kind of spelling to our root domain. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna put our domain with the www, and then yourdomain.com, and then a slash, and then an asterisk at the very top. Hopefully you can see that. And then you're going to come down here, and then you're going to go all the way to forwarding URL. This is if I recall, it's at the bottom here somewhere. Forwarding URL. We're going to click that, and then we're going to do a 301 permanent redirect. Okay, and then you're going to do https.com or dot, and then / yourdomain.com / and then it's gonna be a $, and then a 1. I don't know what this does, but it makes everything redirect. So then you're gonna save your page. Boom. This should not be blank. It doesn't even matter. So you're gonna save your page rule here. So you got your page rule intact. Now this is gonna redirect, and then so basically it takes a couple hours, but you can always check DNSchecker.com and then see if your C name has propagated yet. And if not, I would jump on the email with Clickfunnels. But that's basically essentially everything. Just make sure that you change your DNS name servers here, and make sure that your DNS, when you do the proxy, that it's like this. So do your @ and then www. It's super simple. I've done this a handful of times, and I've screwed it up a handful of times. So it just takes, persistence and, practice realistically. But definitely check out DNSchecker.org. It's a super easy, super quick way to tell if your thing's propagating, but it takes 4 or 5 hours. Cloudflare has been pretty quick recently though. If you got any questions, let me know. I have no problem with jumping on a phone call with you and walking you through it step by step if you need it. I'll talk to you soon.